Hello friends, welcome back to my video channel one more time. So in this video we will learn which is the right side job to do from home so that you can earn decent amount of money, and what is the choosing criteria for this. When it comes to choosing the right job for you while working online, then think about why you want or why you need it to work. Your reason as well as your availability in terms of time, resources and skill set can help you decide what to pursue online. There are three types of side jobs to choose from. The very first one is the gig economy. Gig economy work is performing a series of tasks, usually through an app or website in which you create your own hours. So just sign up for the app or log in and request to be assigned for a task. That kind of economy is this. Then there is a part-time. So part-time work is completely shifts assigned weekly or with a fixed schedule. So typically less than 40 hours per week. This may also involve transforming a hobby into a service to form to a kind of entertainment also. Then next is the remote freelance. So in remote freelance, work is providing a service for a client that tends to include industry specific skills. So this type of work tends to be on a freelance or a contractual basis. So these side jobs are often remote, so you can do them from home or anywhere with an internet connection. So these are three main categories over the internet which you can use or which you can go and sign up for and then start earning your money, and that is the right path to choose for the online workmanship. So guys, go ahead and choose your dream job today. Thank you.